What you're about to witness is by far the laziest, yet the smartest way that people are making money online right now. And it's so easy, I promise you can do it too with just a few clicks. You're about to see step by step how you can leverage ChatGPT's new feature to start making over $100 per day strictly online. Enough talking, right? Okay, let's jump right into it. What's up, money makers? Welcome back to this channel. If you're new here, my name is Diamond Chanel, and here we talk about all things money. Not only that, we believe in this community in thriving and not just surviving. We try to do that through the easiest ways possible. Now, I am a ChatGPT enthusiast. I use it for everything. I mean, it is my financial advisor, my script writer, my dating coach, my therapist. I mean, everything. And I'm not kidding. Judge if you want. But I'm going to be showing you step by step exactly what to do for all 5 of these ideas. So let's jump into the first one.
First, I'm going to be showing you one digital product idea, then I'm going to show you one freelancing idea that you can do, and then I'll show you how to do it all with ChatGPT for our first idea. So the first one we have is going to be building pre-made Wix websites. So as you can see here, this is something that's really popular over on Etsy, and people are charging a whole lot of money for it. From $161, $77, there is a lot of money to be made with building websites, especially pre-made template websites, which means that you can make it one time and then it is being sold over and over again. So just to show you an example of what this would look like, here is one that is selling for $237. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Every like has a huge impact. Okay, now let's get back into the video. So when someone purchases this, they're going to have this exact template built, and then they're going to get the Wix template about 24 hours after they purchase, and they will be able to edit on their own. Now, another way that you can make money by building websites are by literally doing freelance work and by offering fast delivery times. So with the method I'm going to be showing you with ChatGPT, you'll be able to make entire websites with just a few clicks. So the faster we can make them, the more money we can make. So when you go over to the GPTs in ChatGPT, they're going to have a storefront of many different ChatGPTs that are already programmed to do what it is that they're featuring here. So the one with the Wix AI website builder does exactly what it says. It is already designed to create an entire website for you, and it's directly integrated with Wix. All you need to do is give a simple prompt like create a personal portfolio website for a freelance graphic designer with a clean look. The more that you specify and niche the type of websites that you want to build, the better it's going to turn out. But right now, I'm just showing you what the basics will look like. It's going to take just a few seconds, and then the ChatGPT is going to send you over to Wix, and it will start building the website for you. How cool is this? Normally, you would need a whole bunch of technical skills. You would need to know how to code, how to design. And again, the more information that you put within a prompt, the better the website is going to turn out. And it also will give you an entire domain and will set the website up directly for you. So this has a lot of earning potential.
Now listen, you don't have to be stuck just creating other people's website. I'm going to be showing you how you can start selling things like tote bags, t-shirts, coffee mugs using ChatGPT and a brand called Gelato. Gelato makes it extremely easy for you to start your print-on-demand business, and with the help of AI, it's going to get 10 times easier. I'm going to be showing you the different products that Gelato offers where you can start getting some ideas of what you want to sell, and then we'll talk about how you'll get your designs from ChatGPT. So not only do we have what you would expect from a print-on-demand company like t-shirts, tote bags, but we also have children's clothing, we have wall art, we have phone cases, coffee mugs, hats, calendars, I mean, you name it.
There is a Canva GPT, however, it didn't work out well. So instead, I'm going to be using any logo GPT to come up with graphics for our print on demand business. Now, I gave the GPT some information about what I was looking for, who I was looking to target, and it came up with some designs that I could actually use for my products. And these are the designs that the ChatGPT came up with for me. Now, it might take you a couple of times to play with it, to give it more prompts, to give it more revisions, and you would just simply say, hey, I like design number 3. However, can you fix the words? Can you fix the colors? And then it will do so. So I picked the design that was going to show best, and I went back to Gelato. I found a tote bag. Now I could take this design and sell it on my own website, or I can even list it somewhere like Etsy and start making some money from it. And this whole process might have taken me about 10 minutes to do so.
If you want to start your own store, then I highly recommend that you use platforms like Gelato to get started. Something super easy and simple as this. So there is a link in my description box for you to get started, and so that you can sign up for free and you can start playing with some of those designs. Now let's go over to our third idea. Now, one of the coolest features that even I played around with is the ability to use simple prompts to create entire videos. So you can create short form videos that can go on places like TikTok, or you can even create long form YouTube videos with a few clicks of a button and without showing your face. Now, what you can do is either, again, use this for yourself or sell it to other people as a service. There's people like Joanne who charges $45 per hour and has earned over $50,000 on Upwork by doing video editing and animations. Imagine you were charging per hour and you were able to take on multiple clients within a day, because all of this is only going to take you a few minutes.
We will head over to ChatGPT, click on Explore GPTs, and this is where you're going to open up the storefront. So we're going to type in video creator, and you could choose from any of these, the text to video creator, the video AI one, and I believe that's the one that I use, but you can try out different ones to see which works out best. And then you're going to go ahead and give it a prompt. So the prompt I created was create a 60-second promotional video for my new eco-friendly fashion brand, just assuming that we are working with a client that has a fashion brand and they need some short form videos to promote their brand. So I asked it to not only create the video, but to give me multiple scripts that I can choose from. And then when I picked the one that I liked best, which I believe was idea number 2, this is what it came up with.
Recycled materials, we're proving that style doesn't have to cost the earth. It's time to make fashion conscious, be bold, be eco-friendly.
We can edit it through this app, as well as change the tone, add more images if we would like, and change the script. But this is just a quick example on what ChatGPT can do for you and how you can use this to create your own videos or even get paid to create videos for other people. Now let's move on to our fourth idea. I want to show you how someone like Diana over on Upwork has made over $1 million designing logos, okay? And she's charging $70 per hour. Imagine all of the things that we've seen here thus far. How many logos do you think that you can make in 1 hour? Let's try it out. We're going to use the logo generator, and we're going to use a simple prompt so I can show you how quickly we can start creating logos for other businesses.
Ideally, you're going to ask the client a bunch of different questions, what kind of colors they want. But let's just say we're starting off with the basics, that we have an eco-friendly company and we need something to represent that. So this is what ChatGPT came up with. Now, for me, this is way too plain. So as I said before, the more information you give it, the better it can do. And not only that, you can tell ChatGPT to make the prompt for you, because when ChatGPT makes the prompt, then they're going to put in a lot more detail to get better results. So this time I said I wanted a logo for a eco-friendly pet company that is all about natural products, whatever, right? Just making up these scenarios to see what it comes up with. And then I asked for multiple designs and multiple different concepts and ideas, which would come in handy if you are working with clients, because you can offer them all of these different designs for them to choose from.
Last one, but certainly not least, is going to be the web browser GPT. Now, the reason why this is so important and so much different than just simply using ChatGPT as is, because if you are using the free version of ChatGPT, then the information that it feeds you is from a year prior. However, with the web browser GPT, it is going to give you the most current information on the internet right now, which is so important if you are trying to do some type of market research, or if you're trying to figure out what is going to be the best business for you to go into. What are people looking for? What are some trending topics that you can play off of? What are trendy hashtags that makes a viral video for your TikTok, for your YouTube channel? You can offer services to small business owners who are trying to get their products out there by using social media, and you can offer them entire social media marketing plans that are actually going to work.
The average social media manager freelancer is making anywhere from $500 to $10,000 per month per client, and upwards towards $90 per hour. So let me tell you how you can use ChatGPT to work this out in your benefit. Number one is doing the research. So you can use the web browser GPT to get the most current, up-to-date information. So for an example, I gave ChatGPT a prompt to tell me the top TikTok trends of September 2024. At the time, it was September when I was shooting this video. So it told me all of the trends, the music that I should be using, the hashtags that I should be using. And I also was able to go to my own TikTok, copy and paste the URL back into ChatGPT and ask ChatGPT to analyze my current content and tell me what I am doing wrong and what I should be improving on. And it also was able to do that. Now, from there, with all of this information, I asked ChatGPT to give me a content plan for the next 30 days. Tell me what to film, what topics I should do, what music I should use, and what captions I should use. And it was also able to do this as well. That doesn't even scratch the surface of how much you can do with ChatGPT. Now wait, you're someone that needs to earn some money fast and you're looking for something that you could do from home, then you could definitely check out this e-guide here, where I have a list of 70 different websites that actually work. You can make money quickly, and there are always opportunities open and available. Now, if you're at a different level where you're looking for more freedom and to really take control of your own life while still being able to make money, the Elite Business Circle is 100% for you. This is where we show you how to take control of your own finances. You don't have to be stuck at a job that you hate. We really get into each and every individual's real purpose and how they can make impact and make income. So if that sounds like you, everything that I mentioned is going to be in the description box below. Lastly, check out this video here and this video here, because they're going to give you some more money making tips.